out, you're gonna get blown away over there. That would just be horrible if that happened. There's 40 in the semi. Park that thing. I gotta get my pool. My pool's not here. Okay. And Gloop. Go over there. Yo. I don't want to get up there and kick out the room. Look how dark that is.
I know. Oh my god, look at it.
Yeah, we got knocked that barn down.
Right behind the barn.
No Gloop.
Twister?
This is like, it's just like Twister.
I don't like that movie. Fucking sick. Damn, that was something exciting.
There it is!
Yo, the funnel's probably like right behind the barn because look, it's narrowing in.
Yeah, it's like this.
Nah, yeah, we need to go over there and check it out. Come on.
Where's the
What's wrong?
Rally.